Okay, this is the heater on high. As you can see, I've got the amp clamp around this wire, goes to the heater, and the measurement is 0 amps. So this is working the way it should, at least when you're doing both the power and the common. So let me pause this, put on my test leads, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here you can see it with the clamp around the black wire. The meter is reading 6.1 amps, and this is with the space heater on high. There it goes, 6.0, so 6 amps. All right, let me try it on the white wire and see what happens. You can see that the meter is reading 7 amps. So, this is a puzzle. Where is the extra amp? Here's my little test lead. Let me take this off and show it to you. Alright. This is going into the plug, of course. This is a little plug right here I made. And it's got 3 wires coming out, black, ground, and white. And it goes to this. And that is where the space heater is plugged in. So where did the extra amp come from? Let me put it on the ground just to see what happens then. I don't think anything's going to happen because, well, it says on ground 0.7, 0.8, 0.6, sorry, 0.6 amps on the ground. Well, guess it's a ground fault, huh? So if you put the clamp just on that wire, you get 0. There's an amp difference between the black and the white. And I see a 0.7 amps on the ground, so that's got to be it.